Jake and Gloria moved into an apartment and they pay $1,900 per month for rent. The landlord told them that their rent is going to increase 4.1% on average each year. And we want to express this rent as an exponential function with the number of years they rent the apartment and determine the amount of rent they're going to have to pay if they renew their lease up to the 14th year. Here we know that Y, that's going to be our monthly rent. M is going to be our first month's rent. R is going to be our rate of increase, and X is going to be the number of years that we own that apartment there. So it's increasing each year. So for this one, to start off with, I'm going to write down all of my letters so I know, or all my variables, so I know what I have to fill in. So Y is what we don't know. M is going to be our first monthly rent, which we said was $1,900. Our interest rate it's going to increase by is 4.1%. Don't forget that we always have to use a decimal, so 2 decimal places means I'm going to use 0.041. And then eventually we're going to use x equaling 14. So first of all, just to write our general equation, remember to write our general equation, we don't fill in the x and the y. We fill in everything else. So our general exponential equation is going to be y equals 1900, 1 plus our rate of 0.041 to the x minus 1 power. This is our general equation that we can use for any x that we want to find. But here, we want to use an x of 14, and that's what we're going to fill in. So y equals 1900, 1 plus the 0.041 to the 14 minus 1 power, or to the 13 power there. Solving it all out using our calculator, we can plug it in all at once. We get $3,202.41, meaning 14 years down the road, their rent is going to go up from $1,900 to $3,202.41. And this isn't an exact math, but on average, the landlord has seen that it increases about 4.1% per year. And so this is a good estimate of what they can expect to pay 14 years down the road if they still stay in that same apartment.